For beginner Airflow developer, it is confusing to differentiate between DagRun, task instance, and operator. But this is super useful concept to learn, and it make your life easy once you understand it. Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll learn about DagRun operator, task and task instance. So when you write a DAG file in Python, we call it a DAG. But as soon as you trigger it, it become a DagRun. We'll understand this with example. Here you can see we have a Python DAG, so we call it a DAG if you see this Python code. But once you trigger it, it become a DagRun. You can see I have selected a DagRun here, this one, and it has a state, run ID, run type, and some other information. So this is a DagRun. Similarly, in case of operator, so when you keep operator outside a DAG, we call it operator. Like bash operator, when you keep it outside DAG, we call it operator. But as soon you bring it inside a DAG, it become task. And as soon you trigger it, it become task instance. Here is example. You can see we have imported bash operator here. If we keep it outside this DAG, usually we call it operator. But as soon we bring it inside here DAG, it become task. And when we trigger it, it become task instance. So here you can see this is a task instance. It has its own log and more information. Like task instance information, you can see we have a state, task ID, run ID for DagRun, etc. So here is the summary. When you have a DAG in a Python file, we call it a DAG, which is DAG object. As soon you trigger it, it become DagRun. For operator, when it is outside DAG, it is operator. When you bring it is inside DAG, it become task. When you trigger it, it become task instance. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for such more video.